So hello, how's everybody out there doing? It's your girl JaleaNicole and I'm back just for a little bit. Like I told y'all last time, I can't promise anything, but when I can, I will. So right now, I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this look. And there's a separate video if you'd like to click the link below. Last week, I did a how I styled this wig, how I cut it, what I did to prep it for me. And then there's also the first review, the first impression of the wig down below as well. So if you want to see any of those three videos, check below. So this video is very straight to the point, so see you guys in the next one. I got you, babe. I got you, babe. Cheekbones, pat, pat, pat. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Now, if I were going to work, I would add some powder, my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish all over, and add some mascara and a lip gloss, and this would be my workday look. But now, let's transition into a real look, like an effort. I put some effort into this. I might go somewhere later. Look. So we are going to feature now box of crayons from the Crayon case eyeshadow palette. And y'all know, I know everybody's had theirs and I know I'm late, so that don't mean I still can't come. I just dropping stuff. I just wasn't on time for the party, but you know, it's okay. So I've had this like over a month though. Hold on a second, my lighting is trying to trip on me. It's gonna do what it do. Anyway, I'm going to use only this palette for a look. And because I'm kind of in the pinky purpley, pinky purpley realm with my clothing, I'm going to, oh, they so good. Sorry, just got a work email. Okay, let me get my fluffer. And this one, yes, it's not completely clean. It's slightly stained, but I did use it yesterday with a brown. So I'm going to go in here with tan first. And I don't need any other mirror because I have this one. It's huge. So I'm going to use a tan. I'm going to go in with pink. I'm going to pick up the magenta for the eyelid. Right there. Okay, so now that it is so monochromatic on the top that I'm really, really loving, like really, really enjoying this pink look. I think I want to do purple underneath, possibly. As you can tell, this is an impromptu look. Like I had no idea. So I'm going to pick up, I don't know if I'm going to do purple. I think I'm going to pick up violet. It's darker. Violet. Got some in my eyeball. Hold on. So now I'm going to pick up the gold and put it in the corner. The white. Okay. So I'm going to lash and line and I'll be back. So we're just going to add a new lip gloss. I don't know which one this is. It's kind of, the writing has worn off. So I just added some lip gloss and now I need to do lashes. I did everything else but lashes. I did my liner. I did my eye waterline, little blush, little highlight. Excuse me. But now what I want to add is my Crayon Case Rosy Glores. And that is the tone of the highlighter. Let me get my brush. Brush up. Just gonna dab a little in there. Yum, 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 yum. So when you see me, final look, wig and lashes.